So our boys are growing. The combinations work better once they've been working together longer. So I think just maintaining some consistency there is a good thing. And again, the combos at training today worked really well. So, I wouldn't see changing that is going to happen this weekend. We are confident from the point of view of our preparation. We know that we beat them in La Toca. So, on our day, if we can play our best rugby, we're going to be competitive and a real chance. So, the boys are confident in their preparation. They have real belief in what they got out of the game last Saturday in Canberra, that they can, their set pieces coming together. So that sort of confidence builds, but it's not going to do it. The work doesn't get done by itself. You have to start with your mindset, and you have to come with a mindset that says you're going to be ready to play, and that's what we're working on. And we'll build up again on Thursday, and we'll definitely have that ready to go on Saturday.